If you want to connect your Redmi A7 Pro to PC in order to transfer data, then in that case the best way to do so is by simply using the USB cable. You can also use the original cable that you use, for example, for charging, and most likely it is going to be usable as well. So once we connect our phone to our computer or laptop, by connecting the phone to the computer via USB, then you want to go to notifications and you will find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification, and then over here you want to choose File Transfer / Android Auto. Now you should be able to open your computer and you should be able to find additional device, so you can go over there. It is also possible that it's going to be named Redmi A7 Pro, and then in here you should be able to find the internal storage of your phone, where you can access all your files that you have exactly on your phone, on the phone's storage, such as photos over here, maybe like documents, audio files, videos, and so on and so forth. And if you have the memory card inserted into your Redmi A7 Pro, then you should be able to access it over here as well. And that is pretty much it. Of course, now we can easily transfer files to the computer or from computer to your phone quite easily. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.